focus for MOBOTIX at Intersec is to basically show the new MOBOTIX, which is reflecting a new strategy where we are focusing on intelligence, on cybersecurity, and of course our strong German DNA. The trend on cybersecurity is global. It is a significant trend. It's a trend we have seen coming very strongly from US in the last couple of months and now merging into both APAC but also in Europe and Middle East, Africa. We are investing significantly in that area, and it is a trend that we welcome. We see that this, combined with the strong focus on GDPR here in Europe, is very good for our industry. We also want to integrate and expand those solutions by our technology partners. We have established now a strong cooperation with partners globally and are very pleased to see also the support from these partners being present with us here at Intersec.
What we're seeing in the Middle East is a sort of a leapfrog ahead of technology. So in the Middle East, they look at what's available technology-wise and then how it can be applied to make things more efficient and more effective. And this is where MOBOTIX plays a big part with the return on investment that we can do as well. There's so much infrastructure going in, and because everything is focused on the specification range to make sure that there's a standard of product being put in. So any country here in the Middle East has this minimum standard of product. We can walk in with a very high standard product made in Germany and be able to meet all the requirements. Our Cactus concept is cyber secure way of protecting yourselves and your network. Even if you are able to get into the camera, you get stopped there. You don't proceed to the rest of the network. And this is a key difference with what we do. What we're showcasing as a company is the solution focus. Instead of just, here's a MOBOTIX product, whether it's an IoT device or a camera, we're actually providing a complete range of solutions. Whether it's the MOBOTIX NAS, our new storage, whether it's MOBOTIX Management Center 2.0, which is our new software release, DMS platform. We have the inbuilt analytics in a lot of the cameras. We have our core DNA IoT devices, but we also have our MOBOTIX Move cameras which mainly focus on market standards. But this combination means we can walk into almost any project and we can meet any application requirements. And this is what we're showcasing.
Quality in everything we do, cybersecurity, intelligence, and trust. Trust for us is extremely important. All our production, our manufacturing facilities are located in Germany. We have a strong control of the process and also, again, how you can access the pictures and the recordings of the cameras and our solutions in general. And that is for us a very strong differentiation we will see now and moving forward.